Good morning students, once again welcome. In previous lecture of class 10th math chapter 13 area, surface area and volume, we already discussed that how we will find out the surface area of combination of solids figure. कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सॉलिड्स फिगर का सरफेस एरिया आप कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे, दैट वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस इन लेक्चर 3rd. In today lecture 4, we will discuss that how we will find out the volume of combination of solid figure. अब आपको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, if we will join two or more than two solids, then we will get a new solid shape. Then how we will find out the volume of that shape. उस शेप का वॉल्यूम कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे, दैट वी विल डिस्कस इन दैट एक्सरसाइज. ओके, सो इन एक्सरसाइज 13.2 वी विल डिस्कस दैट हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सॉलिड्स. ओके, सो टॉपिक इज वॉल्यूम ऑफ combination of solids. How we will find out the volume of combination of solids. Suppose a cylinder is placed on a hemisphere. आपने क्या किया स्टूडेंट्स, हेमीस्फीयर के ऊपर एक सिलेंडर पुट किया है. सो व्हाट इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दैट सॉलिड्स, सो दैट इज द सिलेंडर एंड दैट वन इज द हेमीस्फीयर. सिलेंडर एंड हेमीस्फीयर. Then how we will find out the volume of that solid? So how we will find out the volume of that solid? So volume of solid is equals to volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. Which will give the volume of the solid. So what is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h plus what is the volume of the hemisphere? That is 2/3 pi r cube. Now here pi r square is common, then h plus 2/3 r, that will come either in centimeter cube or in a meter cube. That we already discussed. Then firstly you will convert the given formula into its simplest form. आपको क्या करना है, given formulas को simplest form में convert करना है. Then after that you will substitute its values, then you will get the volume. Understand? Now next we know that density is equals to mass divided by volume. And we also know that we already discussed that what is the density? Mass per unit volume, that is known as the density of the substance, right? Mass per unit volume is known as the density of the substance. So if in a question asking find the mass of that solid, so how we will find out the mass of that solid? For that firstly we will find out the volume and density is given to in question. Density आपको question में given होगी. Then how we will calculate the mass? Mass is equals to density multiply by the volume, which gives us the mass of an object. Understand? So students, अगर आपके question में एक find करना है what is the mass of that substance, how we will find out the mass? So in that type of question density is already given to you. Then firstly you will find out the volume, then volume multiplied by the density, which is giving the mass of the object. Understand? Now next some students are having problem that volume, suppose volume is given to in liter form. So how we will convert liter into centimeter cube and how we will convert liter into meter cube. So for that one standard is 1 liter is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. Meaning is that if we want to convert liter into centimeter cube, then multiply by the 1000, and if we want to convert centimeter cube into liter, then divide by the 1000. लीटर को सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करना है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय द 1000. सेंटीमीटर क्यूब कन्वर्ट इनटू लीटर, डिवाइड बाय द 1000. सेकंड, ऑल्सो वी नो दैट 1 मीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 लीटर. If we want to convert meter cube into liter, multiply by the 1000, and if we want to convert liter into meter cube, then divide by the 1000. मीटर क्यूब को लीटर में कन्वर्ट कर रहा है, मल्टीप्लाई बाय द 1000. लीटर कन्वर्ट इनटू मीटर क्यूब, देन डिवाइड बाय द 1000. सो लीटर इज ऑल्सो ए यूनिट ऑफ वॉल्यूम. लीटर भी किसकी यूनिट है? वॉल्यूम की यूनिट है. सो बिफोर फाइंडिंग आउट द वॉल्यूम, इफ गिवन टू वॉल्यूम इन लीटर, देन फर्स्टली अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट, फर्स्टली यू विल कन्वर्ट द लीटर इनटू सेंटीमीटर क्यूब और मीटर क्यूब. लीटर को किस में कन्वर्ट करोगे? या तो सेंटीमीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करोगे और या फिर मीटर क्यूब में कन्वर्ट करोगे. देन आफ्टर यू विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यूज. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दीज आर द स्टूडेंट्स इंपॉर्टेंट कन्वर्जन. मोस्टली स्टूडेंट डोंट नो that how we will convert liter into meter cube and how we will convert liter into centimeter cube. Okay, these are the very very important conversion. Understand? Now next we will discuss example. Suppose we have a pot in which water is filled it, and in pot its neck looks like a cylinder. pot की neck किसकी तरह visualize होती है? just like a cylinder. so we have a cylindrical neck pot. so we will make here a cylinder. what is given to you here? A radius of that one part is 7 centimeter and a radius of that one part is 1 centimeter and height of the cylindrical part is 2 centimeter. Radius of that cylindrical part 1 centimeter, height of that cylindrical part neck 2 centimeter and radius of that spherical part is 7 centimeter. Then find the volume of amount of water. Find the volume of amount of water which can be filled in pot. pot में कितना वाटर फिल कर सकते हो? That means we will calculate the volume of the pot. So volume of water which can be filled in pot is equals to, here two different type of solids are present. First solid is the cylinder, second solid is the sphere. so how we will find out that one? volume of cylinder plus volume of that is the spherical pot. so volume of sphere. now what is the volume of the cylinder? pi r1 square h1 plus what is the volume of sphere? 4/3 pi r2 cube. Now here R1 is 1 centimeter, H1 is 2 centimeter, R2 is the 7 centimeter. So how we will find? Substitute the values. Pi is common. R1 square H1 4 upon 3 R2 cube. Pi is 22 upon 7. R1 is 1 square multiply H1 is 2 plus 4 upon 3 R2 is 7 power 3. Now simplify, which will come in centimeter cube. So that is the volume of the amount of water which can be filled in that pot. Understand? So आपने क्या आइडेंटिफाई किया? Firstly, you identify that here how many solids are present. So here how many solids are present? Students, here two types of solids are present. First is the cylinder and second one is the sphere. Firstly, we will find out the volume of the cylinder, then volume of the sphere, then both of them add, which will give the volume of that complete solids. Right? Now next type of question. Friends, these all questions present in your NCERT book. Next type question क्या है? देखो, suppose we are having a cardboard. आपके पास क्या वुडन कार्डबोर्ड है. Suppose we consider that duster. आपने ये डस्टर कंसिडर कर लिया. अब इस डस्टर से क्या बनाना है? आपको एक पेन होल्डर बनाना है where we can put pen. आपको इस डस्टर की हेल्प से क्या बनाना है? पेन होल्डर बनाना है. सो हाउ वी विल मेक पेन होल्डर? वी विल मेक हियर स्मॉल होल in the shape of the cone, then we can made the pen holder, right? Okay, then find the volume of wood which is required to make the pen holder. अब आपको उस वुड का वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करना है जो रिक्वायर्ड है पेन होल्डर कंस्ट्रक्ट करने के लिए. सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट? देखो टाइप क्वेश्चंस में सपोज दैट इज ए क्यूबॉइड शेप. In that cuboid shape, here present these types of holes. So find the volume of wood to make the pen holder. Find the volume of wood to make the pen holder. So how we will find out the volume of the wood to make the pen holder? Here wood is not required and these are the shape in the form of cone. ये किस शेप में बनेंगे? कॉनिकल शेप में बनेंगे. And that complete cardboard is in the shape of the either cube or cuboid. तो यहाँ पे किस में डिस्कस कर लेते हैं? That is in the shape of cube. ये किस शेप में है? एक क्यूबिकल शेप में है. और जो ये होल कंस्ट्रक्ट किए वो किस शेप में है? कॉनिकल शेप में. सो हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम? सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड टू मेक द पेन होल्डर. वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड टू मेक द पेन होल्डर इज इक्वल्स टू volume of cube minus how many cone are present here? Conical part present 1 2 3 4. So minus 4 multiplied by volume of cone. So what is the volume of the cube? A cube minus 4 multiply. What is the volume of the cone? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Here side is given to you, radius is given to you, height of the pitch is in the shape of conical part is also given to you. Then easily you can find out the volume of the wood to make the pen holder. Volume of cube आपने calculate कर लिया, side given होगी उस क्वेश्चन में. देन वॉल्यूम ऑफ कॉन के लिए आपको रेडियस गिवन होगी, कॉनिकल पिच की हाइट गिवन होगी, उसकी हेल्प से सब्ट्रैक्ट करके आप किसका वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट कर लोगे, वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुड विच इज रिक्वायर्ड टू मेक द पेन होल्डर। अंडरस्टैंड? सपोज वी टेक हियर लेट साइड ऑफ क्यूब इज 4 centimeter and radius is 7 centimeter and height is 1 centimeter। आपको जो क्यूब है गिवन है उसकी साइड क्या गिवन है, साइड का मेजरमेंट 4 सेंटीमीटर गिवन है, रेडियस ऑफ द कॉनिकल पार्ट इज गिवन टू यू 7 सेंटीमीटर, height is given to you 1 centimeter, then find out volume as it is. What is the A? 4 cube minus 4 multiply 1 upon 3 multiply pi value 22 upon 7, 7 into 1, 7 cancel, then 4 is 4 power 3 is 64 minus divide 4 into 154 upon 3, क्या बनेगा ये, कैलकुलेट कर लो, देन यू विल गेट द आंसर विच विल कम इन सेंटीमीटर क्यूब ओवर मीटर। ओके, जनरली एक क्वेश्चन लिया, बट क्वेश्चन में जो आपकी डिजिट्स होंगी वो डिफरेंट, प्रोसीजर यही सेम होगा, वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब माइनस 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई द वॉल्यूम ऑफ कॉन। If you will calculate, then value will come negative is not possible because we take here randomly data, that's why. But question में कभी भी आपका वॉल्यूम नेगेटिव में नहीं आएगा, always volume will come in the form of positive. Understand? Any problem? Now next type questions देखो। In next type of question, a hemisphere is surmounted on a cone. A hemisphere is surmounted on a cone. On a cone, what we place here? A hemisphere we place. Then that complete solid is put inside a cylindrical part. अब क्या किया है, इस कंप्लीट सॉलिड को किसके इनसाइड पुट किया है, ए सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट, वी प्लेस इनसाइड ए सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट। देन हियर सम पार्ट और सम वाटर इज प्रेजेंट और नॉट। ओके, सो फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर which is present inside that cylinder. So how we will calculate, students? Volume of cylinder में से volume of that one solid we will subtract or not? Subtract. So volume of that we give the name of toy. So volume of water is equals to volume of cylinder minus volume of toy. What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r1 square h1 minus. In toy, how many solids are present? In toy, two types of solids are present. First is the hemisphere, second is the cone. So here volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. So pi r1 square h1 minus, what is the volume of hemisphere and radius of hemisphere, radius of cone and radius of cylinder, all three are equal, that is given to you in question. So volume of hemisphere is 2 upon 3 pi r2 cube plus 1 upon 3 pi r3 square h. But r1 equal r2 equal r3 equals to r. Given to you that the radius of the cylindrical part the radius of the hemisphere and radius of cone, all three are equal. So here all three are equal. Now substitute pi r square h1 minus 2 upon 3 pi r square minus 1 upon 3 pi r square h2. From here we will take pi r square is common, then h1 minus 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3 h2. Now you will substitute the given values, then you will get the answer. So in that type of question asking two question, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में टू क्वेश्चंस अराइज हो सकता है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द टॉय और हाउ मच air is required inside the toy. So how we will find out volume of toy is equals to volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone, which will give the volume of the toy. Second type question, find the volume of water which is present inside the cylinder. Cylinder के inside water present है, उसका volume calculate करना है. So how you will calculate the volume? Volume of cylinder minus volume of the toy, and you already calculated the volume of toy. आपने volume of toy already calculate कर लिया था, then easily you can find out. Understand? So in surface area and volume, how we will find out the volume of combination of solids? Firstly, you will identify here that how many types of solid are present. After identifying the solids, you will find out the volume of their individual parts. आपको क्या करना है, उनके इंडिविजुअल पार्ट्स का वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करना है. देन आफ्टर एड विच विल गिव द टोटल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड. अंडरस्टैंड? सो इन टुडे लेक्चर वी विल डिस्कस दैट हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द volume of combination of solid. Then in next lecture we will discuss remaining question of exercise 13.2. In exercise, whole exercise of 13.2 is based on how we will find out the volume of combination of solids. That complete exercise 13.2. So remaining question we will discuss in next lecture. So today you, after watching this video, you will do question, which question you understand, that question you will do. Okay, so remaining question we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.